I hear little feet. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come on, Chip Chip. What? Come here. What are you doing over there on the other side of the table? Come here. Come on. Come on. I wish you could see this. Just peeking her head above the table. Come here. Hey, little girl. That was cute. Looked like he was sitting at the table. She was sitting at the table. Can you carry 4? All right. Good job, honey. That was cute. She got up in the other chair on the opposite side of the table and was just peeking her head above it like this. She was sitting there.